My name is Arias, I'm from INSIGHT NUIGalway, and I'm going to talk about my work on knowledge ready to use. So, imagine you want to share a bunch of pictures online with your friends. What kind of format would you use for that? You would use JPEG, because it's designed specifically for pictures, and you can open them with any visualization program. What if you want to share some music? Likewise, you would use MP3, because it's designed specifically for songs. But what about you want to share some structured information like the list of books available at a library or the list of products of a company? You would use text files. That's how it's done currently. They're annotated with some special tags so the computers can understand the content, but it's just text that you could open and read. In practice, nobody goes and reads gigabytes of text manually. You use some software to perform this operation. So, if it's a machine who is going to read these files, why don't we use the language of the machines for that? That is, numbers and lists in binary. So the topic of my PhD is about designing a file format for storing structured information about any kind of domain of knowledge. We call it HDT. These files are internally organized, like a dictionary, where all the words keep an order, so when you want to locate one, you don't need to read the whole dictionary. Well, actually, a computer could do that, but it's still faster if it knows where to look at. We use compression techniques to make sure that these files are small, so they can be transferred very quickly through our network, and you can keep many of them on your computer. Unlike traditional compression formats like zip or RAR, where you need to extract all the information and then use it, with our format, you just need to open one of these files and it's ready to use. And the most important operation is doing something useful with this data. For that, we exploit the internal organization of the files to provide very fast browsing and searching capabilities. So, why is all this useful? Let me show you an example. Say this scientist needs to use UniverX, a dataset about protein sequences. First, she needs to load all this information into a database, but this file is so huge that it takes 6 days to perform this operation. However, if she used our format, she will just need to open this file and the knowledge is ready to use, including browsing, searching, and even a fancy visualization like this. Thanks to the compression, the file that was 800 gigabytes went down to only 30, so it can be managed by any normal computer. And remember, and the most important thing that it only took her 2 hours to start doing something useful. And this format can be used for any kind of information, like all the information that you carry always in your mobile phone. So the knowledge is ready to use faster and everywhere, even in your pocket. Thank you very much.